Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of Tkinter tutorial for beginner series. In this video, we are going to creating our first GUI window. Okay, let's get started. First, let me create a Python file with name main.py. Now I'm here in my file. The first things you have to import Tkinter. Tkinter is an inbuilt module come with the Python, so you don't need to download it. Here I'm importing the Tkinter module and alias it is tk to simplify my code. Win equal to tk dot tk, and I'm creating the instance of tk class by calling its constructors, and I'm using alias tk, so I don't need to write the longer code. If I don't alias it, I have to write the full code Tkinter here. And the next things is set the title of our GUI. Okay, I give it hello. Okay, hello world. And the next things is size. Okay, you can give the size by the two way. The first is min size method. Okay, the first argument is width and the second argument is height. Okay, 300. And okay, and you can set the size by using another method, which is geometry. Okay, geometry. Okay, uh, it should be within the string. Okay, the first argument is wide is before. Okay, 300 and separated by x and height. Okay, in this way. And win dot main loop. Okay, I start the event loop by calling the main loop method on the class instant win. If I don't okay, at first let me comment out this. Okay, let me show you. Okay, this is our GUI of size 200 by 300. And okay, okay, let me okay, comment out this. And okay, and run. Okay, now you can see we get the same window as before, so you can use one of them. And okay, you can also set the icon. Okay, to set an icon, just simply type win dot wm underscore icon bitmap. Okay, and within the string write the icon name fav icon dot ico. Okay, it's here. Okay, let me run this and see. Okay, now you can see. Okay, this is my icon. Okay, if I open this, it's not showing me. Okay, okay, now you can see this is my icon. It is working. Here main loop. Okay, main loop record an event and send that event to our GUI. Okay, if I don't call the main loop method and run this, then it don't display me anything. Okay, let me explain this by an example. Suppose I create an button with name click me, and I said after clicking the button it show me a text. Okay, if I don't call the main loop and click the button suppose, and it's don't show me anything because it don't know what to do, because it don't record whether it don't know whether I'm clicking this button or not. Okay, if I call the main loop method and do the same things and clicking the button, then it's know what I'm doing and what I want to do and what I want to display, and it's send that to our GUI, and GUI check that event to our code. If the event is match and it perform the action correspond to that event, here it display me a text. Okay, main loop record an event and send that event to the GUI, and GUI perform the task. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and like this video.